anyone want a glass of wine? I managed to salvage a couple of these after the sack of Troy.
Paul, I don't know how to say this, but I think it's better for everyone if you fuck off.
Oh. Benny, I'm in terrible fucking trouble, actually.
There's a surprise.
You didn't pay them, did you?
No.
For fuck's sake, Paul!
Well, I couldn't. I do have my pride, after all.
What about the money I gave you?
Benny, I'm afraid the very generous donation you gave me was just a drop in the ocean. As far as I'm concerned, they can fucking whistle for it.
Yeah, but what about me, Paul? You are dead already. But did you ever think for a moment about what you're doing to me? What if Frank finds you?
Benny, there's no need to worry. That's the marvelous thing, you see. Frank's never going to find us here, is he?
You're a selfish bastard, you are.
Right. Paul, time to leave.
Alan, please, let me cope with it.
B, he's leaving now. Come on, I've had enough.
No,
Come on.
let me deal with it.
Here we go. Come on, for God's sake, out of my house. Come on. Stop it. For God's sake, out. Fuck off. Oh, my God.
Alan. He knows where we are.
So?
If he goes home and they find him, he's not strong. He'll tell them, and then they'll know.
Don't understand.
No? It's not just Paul. It's me they want. They want me too. We have to leave. We have to go somewhere else.
I like it here.